Real interesting article about governance and Elon Musk and Tesla that came out in the Wall Street Journal. Essentially, the article is saying that the kind of structure that a company has in running the company can have a very big effect on the returns. What the article is trying to say is that you should have the kinds of controls that government wants you to have, not the kind of controls that Musk wants to have. But the problem they've got is that recent research shown in the article is that companies which are run by people like Musk, who, take big chunks of the company and have a lot of skin in the game, do way better over long periods of time than companies that are run by essentially mercenary CEOs that have no skin in the game. And that goes right into the teeth of the whole argument that, there should be these big controls over founders. So I really like this article because we really like to invest along with people that have lots of skin in the game, founders, companies that are run by families, and so on. All right, time to go play.